Hello. Today I'm going to show you a simple technique to create a video which shows what you are doing on your phone. You can use this technique to create a YouTube content showing how to solve technical issues on any mobile phone or even more, and use a video in your YouTube channel. Use Screen Recorder.
To use Screen Recorder, you have to download it from Google Play Store. On search bar, type Screen Recorder. Select to install. I have already installed it, so I will click Open to start the program. Now let's change some few settings before we start using it. Turn on Show Record menu for easy use. Frame rate 30 FPS. Audio channel stereo. Delay time 3 seconds, it's fine. Make sure you enable stay awake. Show touches to help viewers to see where you're touching during recording. Let's go back and start recording. You can choose to record with audio or without audio. Click OK to bypass info message. On scope area, select entire screen option. Click start button to start recording. The 3 seconds delay time will start counting. Now it's recording every activity that I'm doing on my phone. You can pause or stop the recording on this hidden control menu. Or you can use the control menu on top of your phone. To save your recording, click Stop. Your recording has been saved successfully. To access your recording, go to File Explorer. You will find it on Video Location. And now let's watch. End of our recorded video. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more videos.